So I'm working with UST since last 2.5 years, and my role is in I'm working as a QA automation engineer.
But
So these 2 days been excellent. So I have learned so many things, especially for workshop. There were like so many good speakers, as like you, Mandana, and Mary, and also the other one is Dhananjay. So I met with so many good leaders, I would say, and especially I would mention about the leader handbook. So it is like a toolkit they have provided, and it is helping us a lot to understand yourself, how you are doing, how you are in which areas you need to improve. So all these are things I'm learning it, and I'm so happy I'm attending this workshop. Yes.
I'm also
So there are so many new things I learned. So basically about 3 7 10 frameworks. So if you want to become a good leader, in which points you can work on, there are so many good points they have mentioned. So like one of point is putting on the first imperative. There are so many visions. You can have one vision to move forward to into your life. So yeah, definitely it will work in profit based organization like UST, because it has transformed from traditional leadership to servant leadership. So if you go deep into that, you will get to know a lot of things, and you can set the vision to become like profitable organization. Yeah, definitely
act-
I will suggest to everybody just go and attend this workshop, and also this work on your handbook as well. So that handbook is very much helpful for you. So I would suggest everybody to attend this workshop. Please sure. Thank you, Anu.
thank
Thanks.
you.